is another end of another training week for the San Francisco Marathon. I just finishing up my long run for the weekend. It was 6 miles total. 5 of those 6 I ran in a zone 2. A little more intensity than an easy pace run. And then my last mile, I did a really fast mile, which Jeff Galloway calls a magic mile. So if you've been following my videos, you know that I like to follow Jeff Galloway's injury-free running method. So let's see, this week in total, I ran a little over 14 miles. Tuesdays and Thursdays, I ran about 30 minutes. Friday, I did a 1 mile easy run. And then today was the long 6 miler. I still did my weight training the same. Monday, Wednesday, Fridays are weight training days. And I also did yoga. I've been trying to keep up with my yoga on Tuesdays and Thursdays as well. Just getting closer to marathon time at the, I want to say, end of July. The race will be, and then that will mark my 9th marathon. Let's see. I think when I say that's it. So far, my eating I've kept my eating the same, and eating around maybe between like 2,200 calories, I think, a day. For this running, the running season, my marathon training season, I did increase my carbs. I usually keep my carbs a little lower when I'm not training for a marathon. Let's see, that's it. Yep. I think that's it for this time around. Looking for some additional pair of running shoes. I'm still wearing my Ultra Forward Experience. They feel great. It's just that I'm wearing them down fairly quickly on the soles, and I read the reviews. Other folks say the soles tend to wear down pretty quickly as well, but I do like the shoe. I'm looking for an additional pair now. I've gotten maybe close to 200 miles in, and the average running shoe, you could at least get 300 miles, and so I feel like these ones are wearing a bit fast. But let's see, other than that, I think that is it. Okay, I'm going to end this video for this time around, and like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you out in these fitness running streets. Until next time.